You wake up and grab a box off the shelf, assuming that if it's sold in stores, it must be safe. You trust the regulatory system to protect you, but here's the thing, that trust is exactly what giant conglomerates rely on to keep their massive revenue streams flowing. They don't see a human being when they look at you, they see a consumer who won't ask questions. They market these products as essential while prioritising shelf life over your well-being. Take that healthy breakfast cereal. It is sold as fuel, but a closer look at the ingredients list reveals additives that many leading nutritionists warn against. Or consider your daily skincare routine. You apply these expensive anti-aging creams to look younger, but research has raised serious alarms about chemical absorption rates for common ingredients like oxybenzone. This isn't an accident, it is a calculated business strategy. These corporations didn't just find regulatory loopholes, they helped write them. They spend millions lobbying the very agencies meant to police them, ensuring that questionable fillers remain legal under vague terms like natural flavours. This isn't a conspiracy theory, it is a documented history of prioritising profit above consumer health. They understand the chemistry better than the average shopper does, and they are betting that you will never check the fine print. But the game changes now. This channel is the only warning you get. We act as the investigative force you need, dismantling the marketing to show you the complex, ugly reality of the supply chain. We expose the blueprints behind the brands you love. Subscribing here isn't just a choice, it is essential for understanding what you are actually buying. You can remain a profitable statistic for them, or you can arm yourself with the truth. Stop trusting, start knowing.